Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use toggles in Notion, an incredibly useful feature that can help make your workspace cleaner, more organized, and interactive. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add toggle lists for FAQ sections, collapsible questions, or anything where you want to hide details until you need them. So if you want to turn a basic Notion page into something smarter and more user-friendly, follow along and let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is open up your Notion page. Wherever you want to add a toggle, you can use this in a database, a notes page, wikis, and even your project dashboards. Once you're in editing mode, go ahead and type /toggles directly into the page. That slash is how you call up Notion's commands, kind of like telling Notion, hey, I want to add something special here. And in this case, the word toggles is the magic phrase that brings up the toggle option. You'll notice that when you start typing toggles, Notion gives you a drop-down suggestion for toggle list. You can just hit enter when that appears, and Notion will instantly create a new toggle block for you. Now, inside this toggle block, you can write any text you want. For this demo, let's make it a simple question. Think FAQ style. For example, you might ask, what is your favorite color? This is a great practical use case. Toggles are fantastic for frequently asked questions because they let you hide the answer and keep your page uncluttered, only revealing extra info when someone wants it. You're not limited to questions either. You can use toggles for instructions, code snippets, resources, really anything you want to keep tidy and accessible. Here's the next step. After you create the question inside the toggle, there will be an open space directly underneath. This is where you add the answer. Let's put green in this example, as if that's the reply to our question. Just click beneath the question and type your answer right there. Notion automatically treats everything inside the toggle as hidden until you expand it, so you can actually drop in a lot of extra detail. Answers, images, links, even whole lists or subpages, and it'll all stay tucked away until you click to reveal it. Once you've written your answer, take a moment to click on the little triangle icon next to your question. This is the toggle switch. Not unlike flipping open a book cover to peek at what's inside. If you click it, the answer appears. Click again, and it hides. This simple interaction is what keeps your Notion pages free from overwhelm. Imagine you're sharing an onboarding guide with new team members, and you want them to see only the questions they need help with. Toggles make it incredibly easy for them to scan through, click on what's relevant, and keep moving. If you're worried about formatting or making a mistake, don't stress. You can always edit the question, the answer, or even drag the toggle block around to reposition it in your page. And if you ever want to add another toggle, just repeat the same toggles command. It's that straightforward. So toggles in Notion are a bit like secret compartments in your workspace, perfect for FAQs, study guides, step-by-step tutorials, or anytime you want to keep information neat but accessible. Give it a try and see how it streamlines your workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Notion tips. Got a question about toggles or want to share creative ways you use them? Drop a comment below. I love seeing how everyone personalizes their workflows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.